Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Lincoln Navigator. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lincoln has less than 178,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt, force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, DVD player, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, and Sirius satellite radio. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.